How to become the most important woman in a man's life. 7 psychological secrets every woman should know. To win a man's heart and become truly important to him, there are deep psychological principles that many women don't realize. In this video, I will share 7 powerful secrets. If you understand and apply them correctly, you will be able to connect with almost any man without chasing him, without losing yourself, and without emotional dependence. Without further introduction, let's begin. Key secret number 1. Make him feel that you are not emotionally dependent on him. A man is naturally attracted to a woman who is happy on her own, even when he is not around. He does not fall in love with a woman who makes him feel that her happiness depends entirely on him. If you show him that you are happy only when he is present, you become sad when he pulls away, your emotions depend on his attention or messages, he will unconsciously feel responsible for your emotional state, and that responsibility will slowly push him away. Why? Because men instinctively try to avoid emotional pressure. They already carry work responsibilities, future expectations, and personal struggles. If he feels that your emotions are another burden, he will distance himself. Instead, show him that you have your own life, have personal activities, have passions and interests, are emotionally balanced. Be happy with him or without him. This doesn't mean being cold, it means being whole. And most importantly, do not play the role of a mother, constant checking, worrying, controlling. A man does not desire a woman who makes him feel like she is his mother.
Secret number 2. If you want more from a man, do not chase him. One of the biggest mistakes women make is putting their entire life on hold for a man. When we meet someone we truly like, we neglect our goals, we forget our passions, we focus all our energy on him. As a result, we lose connection with our true value. The more you try to secure him, please him, or keep him, the more power you give him to control the relationship, raise or lower your value whenever he wants. What you should do instead, strengthen the other areas of your life. Imagine your confidence as a table with several legs: career, hobbies, friendships, personal growth, life goals. A man should be one leg among many, not the entire table. This way, if he leaves, you don't collapse, you don't beg or chase, you can walk away with dignity. And here's the paradox: when he sees that your life is full and meaningful, he becomes more attracted to you, not less. Secret number 3. Make him feel that you are with him by choice, not by sacrifice. Many women make the mistake of showing how much they sacrificed, how much they gave up for him. This is dangerous. When a man feels that you sacrificed too much, either he deeply respects it, rare, or he sees it as a guarantee that he can treat you however he wants. Instead, give, care, support, but never make him feel that you gave up yourself for him. Let him feel that you choose him, that you could leave if you wanted. You stay because you want to, not because you need to.
Secret number 3. Make him feel that you were with him by choice, not by sacrifice. Many women make the mistake of showing how much they sacrificed, how much they gave up for him. This is dangerous. When a man feels that you sacrificed too much, either he deeply respects it, rare, or he sees it as a guarantee that he can treat you however he wants. Instead, give, care, support, but never make him feel that you gave up yourself for him. Let him feel that you choose him. You could leave if you wanted. You stay because you want to, not because you need to. Key number 4. The more you try, the more he pulls away. Have you noticed that the people we want the most often pull away, while those we don't care about become axed? This happens because when you want someone too much, you stop being yourself. You overthink every word. You try to please. You lose your natural energy. But with someone you don't care about, you are relaxed, authentic, natural, free. And that freedom is highly attractive. Care about his interests, yes, but never create a fake version of yourself to keep him. When you show that his approval doesn't define you, losing him won't destroy you, he becomes more emotionally drawn to you. Key number 5, set clear and calm boundaries. An attractive woman knows her values, her standards, what she accepts and what she refuses, and most importantly, she knows how to communicate them calmly. Setting boundaries does not mean being aggressive. For example, "Are you crazy? We barely know each other." Answer: "I prefer to take time before going out with someone." Same message, very different energy. Clear boundaries show self-respect, emotional maturity, and high personal value, and they also create desire and anticipation. Do not give everything at the beginning. Mystery builds attraction.
Secret number 6. Learn how to speak to a man the right way. 1. Compliment his choices, not just his looks. Instead of saying, "You're handsome," say, "I like your style. I like the way you express yourself." These are things he chose, and they matter more to him. 2. Focus on his hidden qualities. Don't just say, "You're talented." Say, "I admire your discipline. You worked hard to get here." This creates a deeper emotional impact. 3. Make him feel like a man. One of the most powerful phrases you can say, "I feel safe when I'm with you." This awakens his sense of masculinity. A man who feels like a man with you will find it very hard to walk away. Secret number 7. Do not overinvest emotionally. There is an important difference between attraction, which you can't control, and investment, which you can control. Being strongly attracted to someone does not mean giving all your time, giving all your attention, or giving your energy or body too quickly. Over-investing too soon can scare him away or attract a manipulative person. Even if you feel strong attraction, control how much you invest. Watch his effort, his consistency, his commitment. Invest at the same pace he does. Final message. The goal is not to force love. The goal is to become a woman who is confident, emotionally stable, aware of her value, and fulfilled on her own. When you don't need a man to complete you, that's when you become truly irresistible. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. To not miss anything, check out our other videos right here.